This is Allison helping me, and this is Electric Cowboy Louisville. 6:30 class, this is what we did. We started with a hustle whip. We'll do the basic first. The basic was 1, turn 2. Let's do that one more time. I'm going to step back off the slide at an angle across in front. Prep her first 1, 2. She's going to let her continue down the line, 3, and I'm going to step across and down the line 4 to bring her forward. I'm going to cross in front again on 5, just like I did on 2. Step out to face her 6, 7, and 8. A basic 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we added an inside turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to just like a right side pass. 5 over 6, anchor. I move in front of her. 7 and 8. All the way through. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. Okay. Then we went outside. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All the way through one time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then we did a little walk around thing where we're actually giving the lady the lead. We'll let her just walk around, express, maybe strut a little bit, maybe fluff her hair, maybe do something fun or silly. And it's all about her. I don't care what he thinks. You're not doing this for him, ladies, or anybody else. You're doing it to have a little bit of fun, cut up, and have a little bit of fun. So here it goes. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, and wrong. Let's try this side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. I just added another that. Sorry. Okay, we can do that too. Thank you very much. We'll come back and we're going to do a 2-song break. Lane, it's all yours. We'll be back 2 songs. We're going to answer some fun stuff too. Stay on.